Hey guys, do you know what kinetic and potential energy is? Energy is the energy of motion. A catapult potential energy into kinetic energy. Accountable can be many things such as a spoon, as pictured here, or as an actual catapult designed to launch items. Today, I'm going to test the difference between a catapult that is designed to launch items and a spoon. My projectile will be a piece of cork. We would have we have a wood one and a rubber one. We will be putting one of them on the launcher. We will measure the distance that each projectile goes and the use of the other one and see which is the best. The catapult can be adjusted and we'll put it at fit distance. I hope you learned something about potential and kinetic energy.